The tensegrity innovative workshop is a 3-day event that has taken up with the PUP, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Because first of all, we believe in collaboration, and that with shared experiences we can learn together.
Well, the workshop here is to give the students an insight of what bamboo is, because due to new technologies, the students are now not aware of the various, indigenous materials that we can use.
I've always seen Benilde as a community of learners. There's so much to learn about experiencing what you learn. And this is what it means to learn. It's not just about exposure, but it's also about emphasis. And workshops such as these provide the learning component that is much more profound.
I want the student to learn about the material of the construction, which is bamboo. And also I want the participant to learn about new concept of tensegrity structure.
For me, definitely the uses and properties of bamboo, because bamboo itself is very sustainable and renewable. It's one of the fastest growing wood sources, and in fact is one of the most sturdy and native we have.
They will understand about collaboration, and they'll understand that we need each other in order to do something great. And we should continuously do this so that the exchange of ideas, exchange of information will not be monopolized by a group, and it would be for everybody.
It opens up new perspective with regards to the materials and their possibilities. And kasi tayo ngayon conventional lang yung gamit natin. Pero ngayon sa workshop na to, marami pala silang capabilities na at par or even better than the conventional materials.
I've learned the importance of quality control, like how different bamboos, how the different kinds of, depending on the age of the bamboo, affects a structure.
It was a great experience working with these students, very diverse students, especially working with other schools.
I'm very happy to be here. I'm very excited to make a workshop with students because I know they have a lot of eager to learn something. And then in this workshop, I think all of us learn something from this workshop, learn about the construction, learn about to know each other, learn how to cooperate with the other.
Exposing the students to a real-life experience, not like the classroom environment of having it in just a theoretical atmosphere. This now excites the student. I'll start with innovation because from there, they can start analyzing and innovating.
Through further studies and researches and experiences of working together, I am sure they will find ways to push the envelope further. And I think that is what is meant by advanced architecture. In the first place, it is open and it is open-ended. And by leaving this open-ended, we know that it's the young people's chance to swoop in and develop further what we are discovering here today.